Question number 23. Some sources of electromagnetic waves are in free space are listed. A radio wave transmitter, source of X-rays, 30 millimeter wavelength radar transmitter, a light emitting diode that emits red light. Which list gives the sources in order of the increasing wavelength from left to right of the waves emitted by the sources. So that means what? On the left, there should be least wavelength. On the last, there should be the highest wavelength. Last, it should be the highest wavelength. So which of them could correspond to it? That's the question over here. Now what we'll do is, let us look at one by one. Source of X-rays. X-rays will always be towards the left hand, right? So therefore, this would be having the waves of the wavelength of these X-rays could be of the order of a few nanometers. 30 millimeter wavelength radar transmitter. Okay, this is definitely larger than this, right? And a light emitting diode that emits the red light. What is this now? This is around 700 nanometers. Okay, now, so we can just say here that, okay, initially you might have this one, 2 here, which is the least one, and then you might have a 30 millimeter, and this is 700 nanometer. Maybe I will put this one here, 4 over here, and after that comes the 30 millimeter, which is number 3 over here. The last one is 1 over here. So this should be 2431, answer should be C over here.